All right. Welcome back, everyone. We're diving deep today, and this was pretty cool, I got to say.
Yeah, definitely interesting.
So we got this article sent in by, well, one of you listeners, and it's about, well, how do I even sum this up? It's about cryptocurrency, renewable energy, and get this, they're connected somehow. In Germany.
Right, Germany.
Yeah. So Deutsche Telekom, big company, they're trying something totally new, this pilot project.
Pilot project, yeah.
They're calling it, wait for it, digital photosynthesis.
Catchy, right.
Oh, yeah, very catchy. But what does it even mean? They're using, like, extra green energy to mine Bitcoin. How does...
Okay, so hold on. Let's back up a sec. For folks who maybe aren't totally up on their Bitcoin lingo,
Good point.
mining Bitcoin, it's basically creating new Bitcoin, and at the same time, you're verifying transactions on the blockchain. All this takes massive computing power.
Massive. Like, how massive?
Server farms running 24/7. And a lot of times, that energy comes from, well, not so green sources.
Fossil fuels, emissions, the whole...
Exactly. So that's the problem they're tackling. Using green energy, making Bitcoin, sustainable.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So Deutsche Telekom, they're going green, using all this extra renewable energy.
Yeah. Their tech arm, MMS, they're partnering up with Bankhaus Metzler. It's a bank.
A bank, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
And they're taking all this excess green energy in Germany, putting it towards Bitcoin mining. The cool part, they're not just offsetting the bad stuff, they're making the process green from the ground up.
Huh. That's pretty innovative.
Yeah.
And I guess that's where the digital photosynthesis thing comes in, right?
Bingo. It's a pretty brilliant way to explain it, really.
It is. Who came up with that?
Let me see. Ah, yes. Oliver Nighterl. He's the head of, well, it's a mouthful, head of digital trust and Web3 infrastructure at Deutsche Telekom MMS.
Wow, what a title.
Right. Anyway, he talks about this problem with renewable energy. The sun's not always out, wind's not always blowing.
Makes sense, yeah.
So this project, it's trying to solve that, take all that extra energy, convert it into, well, digital value.
So it's like actual photosynthesis, but instead of plants making, like, food, they're making Bitcoin.
In a way, yeah. Pretty neat, huh?
Definitely. But okay, back to the bank for a sec. What's their role in all this?
So Bankhaus Metzler, they're looking at the long game. Blockchain tech, the stuff behind Bitcoin, it's growing everywhere, especially finance.
Right, I've heard that.
One of their guys, Hendrik Koenig, he's from their, wait for it, digital assets office.
Another cool title.
He basically says this project, it's a step towards a greener future for all things blockchain.
So it's not just about Bitcoin then. It's about the whole technology behind it.
Exactly. And get this, it's not just these two big companies either. There's an engineering firm involved too.
Oh yeah, I remember that from the article. What were they called again?
RIVA Engineering GmbH.
Right, RIVA. They're like the tech wizards making this whole thing actually work.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Provides all the technical know-how. And when you think about it, telecom, giant, bank, engineering firm, all working together on this.
Shows how big this whole blockchain thing's getting now.
Absolutely. This pilot project, it's a little window into a much bigger picture. It makes you wonder, could this digital photosynthesis idea catch on? Could it become like the standard? What do you think?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Yeah.
It's fascinating, for sure. Lots of potential, but who knows, right? There could be tons of challenges we haven't even thought of yet.
True, and that's what makes it exciting.
Totally. For everyone listening, think about this. As this whole thing evolves, how will it affect you? Like, will we one day be powering our homes with, I don't know, digital photosynthesis energy?
No, that's a thought, isn't it?
Crazy stuff. But hey, that's the future for you. Always changing, always something new to think about.
And that's what makes it interesting, right?
Absolutely. Well, on that note, we've got to wrap up for today. But hey, keep those articles coming. We love diving deep into this stuff with you all.
Until next time.
See ya.